Machine is in a manual mode. It is written manual running. Okay?
Yeah, now.
In a manual running,
Twice.
everything.
Twice.
Reset the button. When you reset the button, it will come on the right position. And
Now,
the finish.
You
Now it will,
close this.
okay, manual welding.
What? Finish. Manual welding.
Manual welding finish.
Yeah.
Now
Now is automatic.
automatic. Yeah. So put automatic.
Okay. Automatic. Hey, Naveen.
Number of sheets for alarm is 12 and this is 10. Not okay. 9. Okay. On the 9. Now he put automatic.
Okay.
Now he put the automatic now.
Okay, they say.
Okay. Same.
Fast.
First.
Fast on.
Okay. This is fast unload.
Yeah, fast on.
Okay. That is one cycle complete he will do. He has taken it up. The position has come to the position.
Reset.
Then he is again do the reset.
Reset. Go back.
This come position. Go down.
Twice. Reset.
One more reset. The top will also come to the position.
Okay, now is automatic. Stop.
Now it is automatic. Now it is a start. Go there. Why go there? Okay.